Wala akong palagpo. Kung mapapatay ako yata ang video dito. Aray! Okay, what's up mga pre, at ito si Alcatraz at maglalaro tayo ng isang map na tinatawag na Prison Escape. Simulan na natin at tingnan natin kung ano nga bang meron sa map na ito. Okay, kakausapin natin to. This place holds two paths. One will begin your journey and the other remains locked. Until you prove yourself worthy, choose wisely. At di ko nang basa yung baba. May tatagusan ba tayo? Hindi, ito pala bot. Okay, preschool. Wala. Lock. Huh? Ano? Tanggal. Uy. Day playground. Ano naman to? Two paths exist, yet only one is seen. One lies at the end of your effort, the other reveals itself when you fall. Only observant. Para siyang riddle. Only observant will find both. One is seen, one lies then. Para siyang riddle. So, analyze. Light key. Light key for what? At, ano meron dito? One is seen, so yung isa nakatago. Pero nasan? Parkour natin to. Ayun. Wala na bang ibang button sa... Okay, pindutin natin to. Return to your cell. Okay. Huh? Playground. So, meron pang isang nakatagong button. Hanapin lang natin yun. Hindi rin kasi dito eh. Ito yung pampabalik. Ayun. Kaya ba to? Oy! Okay. Isa pa. Parkour Pro. At ngayon nasa hen house. Makakatakos. Mukha ba tong kulungan? Ang ganda ng kulungan nyo. Listen carefully to your surroundings. Sometimes noise has the answer, and sometimes what you seek lies beneath your feet. Observe everything. So, uy, rusty key. Observe your feet. Pag pindutan to, mababalik tayo dun. Itlog. Huh? Isa pa? Listen, sometimes noise has the answer, and sometimes what you seek. What I seek beneath my feet. Beneath my feet. Anong ibig sabihin? Ano yung mga sensor? Sige, balikin tayo. Wala, di ba? Wala namang mga sensor. Kailangan ng master key. Pero ba't ito? Ang tanong dito, bakit ito may gas? Bakit ito may gas? Bakit ito may gas? Like at tubig, di ba pag pinagalo nagiging gas to? Yung sa isa naman natunog din ng gas. Then dito natin nakuha yung isang light key. At ang light key naman, ibig sabihin hen house. Ito yung isang barrel. Ito yung isang barrel. Ay, nako.
One eternity later.
Meron dapat dito nakatago siguro. Siguro, ayun, nakita ko na rin. May nakatago dun. Okay, may nakatagong button dun. Ito na talaga to. Paano ba kaya malaman yung guard mo? Pumapandok ako ah. Ito yun, kailangan nating pindutin yung button. Uy, storage room. Ano to? Don't waste time on what's obvious. The empty one holds no value. Raise your eyes. You might find something hidden. And remember, walls can hide more than they show. Uy, ang ganda nung gumawa no. Ang daming rhyme. Ano daw? You might find some. And remember, walls can hide more than they show. Raise your hand. You might raise your eyes. Wait lang, check nga muna ito mga test. Wala ba? Okay. Nagtagal tayo sa kanina. Nandun lang pa sa lalim ng mga manok. Ano bang ito. Need old key naman. Uy, ito, nice one. Old key. Basic old key. Library. This place holds knowledge and secrets. Not everything reveals itself at first. Some paths must be unlocked before the truth appears. And what you seek may belong among the books. But if you're careful, one wrong choice can lead you into a trap. So, books. There's books. What books, bro? What books? I mean, is there any obtainable? Ano kaya sinasabi ko na what you can seek then? Okay, wala. Wala rin. Wala rin. At ito. Shelf key naman. Shelf key. Shelf key. So, meron dito dapat isang button. Ang tanong ay nasaan? Wala. Sa bubong. In secrets, not everything reveals itself. Some paths must be unlocked before the truth appears. And what you think may belong among the books. What I seek may belong. Anong key meron tayo? Meron tayong shelf key, old key, rusty key, at light key. Hindi natin to nakita kanina. Ay, bumalik tayo. Kung yung isang button ay nandun, may dito. Saan kaya pwede yun? Nakaligtaan ba tayo dito? Wala. 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 Wala eh. Ito ba? Hindi natin nakikita. Ikaw pala yung panggulo. Okay. Stop. This is restricted. You're not ready. Turn back. Turn back daw tayo. Tara. So good. Puffer fish. This area is trap. Once triggered, you won't be able to see, and time will be against you. Act fast or lose your chance. This trap, once triggered, you won't be able to see end time. Ito. Master key, ooh, nice one! Nice one, master key, let's go. Master key, let's go. Say pause. You made it this far. This place is safe. No traps. The button ahead is your exit. Press it and walk free. Yun, basic. Click here to escape. Let's go. Let's go. Huh? Huh? Ano daw? Uy! May isa pa. The other remain locked until... Hindi po pala yun yung daan ng palabas. Prisoner 9. Take what you need from here. You'll need it for what lies ahead. Guards are waiting beyond this point. Be ready. They won't go easy on you. Labanan na to. Let's go, boy. Di rin ako magaling sa PvP kaya let's go. Ooh! Let's go. Aray ko. Wala kayong palago. Wala kayong palago. Ay. Mapapatay ako yata ang bida dito. Aray ko. Okay, wala yan. Sure. So, ito na ba yun? True escape. Okay, that's it guys. Thank you for watching and suggest kayo kung horror nyo tayo sa susunod. Hindi okay na ayaw ko na napanood nyo yung sunset. And that's it. Goodbye. Have a good day.